We'll worry about that after?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, what's up?
You were saying something?
We're holding this for now. Beautiful day out, Jimmy.
Huh?
It's a beautiful day out.
He's a liar.
Good old Florida.
Said Parker Performance, there's a special thing that if you come with work that's previously been half-assed,
We're gonna wind up redoing it.
Parker's gonna wind up redoing it because he's really OCD. So, stereo install, everybody.
Unfortunately, where'd it go? What? This? Out of the way. Unfortunately, the terminal that was installed on here didn't really go to anything. This was what was behind it. Inside, you should be able to grab a washer, which went to this. Didn't see that thing. It's all good. Are those even? You know how we unplugged those? Are those even plugged in? They couldn't have been. Let's see, is that real metal? Is it magnetized? Does not seem like it magnetizes. So, the question is there a reason they're not plugged in? Are these speakers only like a certain medium? Nah, they should be plugged in for sure. He was just talking about how his subs are like his babies, like. Come to daddy. I can almost get you. Want little hands in there? No, I want, you don't know, pliers maybe? The long ones with the... blue handle? Yeah. Got the wires. Well, I've got half of the wires. We're gonna wind up having to take the whole sub out to get to all that. But basically what happened is these wires are, you know, they go to nowhere. I don't know why. This, this wraps around itself and then does this whole number and goes to no man's land. I'm gonna send him a picture. Has some kind of a rubber connection that should have been shrink wrapped and coated somewhere. Ready? Yeah.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. We still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I linger?
On the right side. So this is not included in that kit. No, it says an X plug. It's just a plug. Maybe this one? Let's see. That's no. That's no. Those are both caps. Those are both caps. It said optional, so clearly the option was not had. Yeah, so tighten that one down in there.
What are those over there?
These are for the front.
Okay.
Might be good. No, you can do that. Come on now, Rook.
Trying my best.
Come on now, Rook.
Trying to take the easy way out.
Ain't no easy way. That'll be the drain. So that'll be good. We'll trim it on this side when we're done. So that'll be good. Now the X plugs are going to actually be plugs. Are going to be this one. Those are not plugs.
Is your car?
These are.
No, he's still doing that.
No, this guy came from Daytona.
This guy did?
Yeah.
Yeah, get those out. It's going to be these two here. And they need to have a little bit of this thread sealing on it.
I'm a firm believer of static movement. Not about bags. Bags are for groceries.
I'm guessing you track your car? That's why. It's weird how many people are actually putting airbags on their cars and actually track them.
Yeah, one of the guys.
5 years
follow-
ago, you never saw that shit.
There's a couple of systems that aren't bad at all.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm
What
not
I'm saying is
spending-
5 years ago, 10
Yeah.
years ago, you never saw that. You sit there, you got, oh, he has probably he's on back, they tell you to get the hell off the track because it's dangerous.
Now, like, on.
They tell you don't even worry about coming over here.
Alright, so it does not matter, but one side is the top and then the other side is the opposite. Wait, how is that possible? How's that possible? Hold on. Give me 1 second. Because they're 1/4 and 3/8, so they can't be the same. Right.
Ford's bad about that.
So this one's gonna go to the water trap. So let's build this side. Alright, we're gonna mount this in the
I can take her to
eggs,
Elder.
you know, like that.
Oh, hey, another thing too.
Or like that, doesn't matter. What you got?
How hard is it to adjust the e-brake? Because I had my car on the e-brake, I didn't have any gear. I was sitting there, I was hurrying, I was rushing to get to the store and come out. I had the e-brake all the way up. My car rolled back and hit somebody's car in the gas pump.
That's not good.
Yeah. Took it to Elder Ford. They said nothing was wrong with it. It was fine. Took it to parts. They said it was fine. I know it's probably fine by OEM standards, but I drift. No, hang on. Their OEM standards, I drift. If that shit don't lock, it don't work. That's how I look at
Well,
it.
even then, like mine goes up 3 clicks and it's solid.
Mine's not. Mine, you pull it up 10 clicks and it's fine. It's fine. 10 clicks is like this.
You probably have to adjust it on the back.
On the back? Okay. Because I didn't know if you had to take like, because when I had my Ford Focus, like I had a first gen Focus, you took the center console out and you adjusted the cable There's a center
Well, you can adjust it on the center or you can adjust it on the back. It's adjusting the line regardless. You gotta pull the slack out of it.
Oh, okay. But yeah, they didn't do anything to it. They're like, oh, it was fine. I'm like, you can even make it a little bit tighter. Oh, we don't have to. It's within scope.
So they put it on an incline. I don't know where the hell they found an incline to do it here. And it didn't roll at all.
Right.
There's one guy who's talking about, it'll
I remember seeing
it's
the
not made
water
to
trap.
roll forward and roll backwards. It's made to lock so it doesn't roll forward. It's bullshit. It's locked, it's locked.
Right. Is that a hydro?
Yeah.
So should he get his hub fixed before he does the springs, or?
I would try to, yeah.
Look at the presence on this.
Is there anything else that I need to know that's usually breaks on these so I can just tell warranty the fuck out of it?
Not good.
Well, you see how the lever kind of fucked up?
Yeah. Not sure what to do this, so play with it there, huh?
It is what it is. It's soft aluminum, and unfortunately, they're a little garbed up.
Yeah, we can.
You gotta work tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, they're garbed
Deal
all
with
the
the
way down.
inmates.
Just gonna have to send it down there. It's just a plug, so.
That motherfucker's not going anywhere.
Either my crashing.
Good.
Good-ish.
Alright, we'll head out. So,
Send me that PM, I'll get you the discount code today when we're done. Well, it might be fucking midnight, but whenever I'm done doing this install, I'll go in the computer, pull it up, or if I take a lunch break or something.
alright.
And then we'll plan on next Saturday. You're up fixed.
Yeah, hopefully. Once it's fixed, I'll bring it over here.
Alright.
Yeah, the service advanced track, man, that's not anything that I have any desire to fuck with when it's a car's under warranty.
Yeah.
Out of warranty, no problem, we'll fuck with it, but it's under warranty, let them earn their money.
Oh, is your car steering on too?
What's up?
Is your car steering on? Not just advanced track?
Yeah. Okay, you take a corner and sometimes, like, if I'm on a dirt road. It's only when I'm on a dirt road it'll do it.
We live on the road.
Yeah.
Do y'all know? Probably over my pay grade.
I mean, I have you take that damn thing to a drag strip, so I don't know why the hell it's doing that. But, alright.
Alright guys, drive safe, we'll see you soon. Bro, there's this.
All the batteries are dead. This one's about to be dead, but everything pretty much is in except the actual airlines. They're going to drop that in, and then the car, they have to do the adjustments for the height, and then everything should be done. Zach's gonna put a cell phone video right in here of it airing all the way up and then dropping all the way down.
Let her rip. It is so fucking low.
That's 0 right there.
Hell yeah. Bet.
She is down. Replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So the first thing you're gonna do, actually when you get it, you're gonna have this retaining clip will be on here. You need